Hi, welcome back to DST channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make a beautiful and pretty cool smoke ring like this. The things you need for this experiment are a balloon, tape, empty plastic bottle, incense stick and scissor. Here's the procedure. First, take the bottle and cut the bottom side. Just like this. Now, take a balloon. By using scissors, cut it again into two off. Next, replace the bottle bottom with the bottom of the balloon part by just opening it up and stretch over it. Bottle bottom should look like this. Now use the tape and wrap around the balloon joining area. Now, to fill the bottle with the smoke, we are going to use incense stick. Get it burning. Blow it out. Pop it inside the bottle to collect the smoke. Once the bottle is filled, remove your incense stick. Now it's time to make our smoky ring. Come on! Now just tap the balloon covered side and watch the ring formed. It looks cool, right? Now let's understand the science behind this. The scientist name for your smoke ring is vortices. Vortices generally occur when a liquid or a gas spin or flow in a circular manner. Vortices usually occur in water, but sometimes they even occur in air. So what just happened in our experiment? The smoke takes the form of donut-like shape on its way out because the smoke moves slower than the air which is outside the bottle, so it maintains the ring shape. Hope you like our video, so please drop a like and share our video with your friends and post your comments. Don't forget to subscribe DST channel. Tune in next time for more learnings. Bye bye.